Anyone missing a truck? All right, Hood News peeps. A Hood News peep just reached out to say that this truck was dumped by some unknown individuals over at 9004 North Freeway near Gulf Bank. It was left running with the doors wide open. So another truck pulled up after they pulled in, and they emptied out the contents and then took off. They left the truck running. They didn't communicate with anyone, and they just took off. So the Hood News Peep has called authorities. They're waiting for police right now. We're hoping that if somebody sees this, they might recognize their vehicle if in case it's stolen. We don't know. Just heads on a swivel, folks.